Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the CakeBank token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to get this token. But before we get started, I'm just going to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space and how to buy, how to sell, and lots more, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first, we just want to open up our Trust Wallets here. And I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video. I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if that is needed. But I'm going to assume that you guys have your BNB in here already. And you just want to make sure that you have your BNB inside of your smart chain wallets as well. So if you just have it inside of your BNB wallet right here, you just want to make sure you click on it, click on more, and then click on swap to smart chain here. And you want to make sure that you swap the appropriate amount that you want to transfer into your smart chain wallet, or else it will not show up on PancakeSwap. So that's very important. But once you have that done and you're good to go here, all we have to do is add the contract address for the token into our Trust Wallet. So I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap for that as well. So if you guys just head over there now, all you have to do is go on this page right here, go to where it says contracts and click on this little copy button beside Binance Smart Chain. Once you click on that little copy button, we could exit out of here and go back into our Trust Wallet. Once we're back into Trust Wallet here, we just can go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles, and we can go ahead and click on that. Once that's clicked on here, we can go to the top search and paste that contract address in right here. Then we should see this add custom token just pop up. So we can click on add custom token. And then we'll see the network right here. So we just have to change the network from Ethereum over to Smart Chain. And then we could paste the contract address. Then all we have to do is put in the name, symbol, and decimals. So for the name, we could just put CakeBank. And the same thing for the symbol. So CakeBank. And then for decimals, for this token, it's 18. So we could put that in there and then click on done. And then we could just click on save in the top right corner. Once that's done, we'll have the CakeBank token ready to go inside of our Trust Wallet. So now all we have to do is head over to our PancakeSwap exchange, and I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap in the description for you guys to head to, and I'll show you guys what to do next. So once you're on PancakeSwap here, all you have to do first things first is connect your wallet. So if you just want to go to the top right of your screen where you see the Connect Wallet button, you can click on that. And then right here, it's going to ask us what we want to connect with. So we could just choose Trust Wallet. And then it's going to open up this again. So we can choose Trust Wallet one more time. And that's going to open up our Trust Wallet here. So we just give this a second to pop up the connection screen to connect our Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. And once we get this connect screen right here, we can just click on the connect button and then head back over to PancakeSwap. Now, once we're back in PancakeSwap here, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance above our BNB right here. Now, once we're ready to go here, all we have to do is click select a currency and paste that same address we got from CoinMarketCap in here as well. Then we should see the CakeBank token. So we can just click on import, I understand, and then import. Now, once that is done here, all we have to do now is change our slippage tolerance. And I could not find a distinct slippage tolerance for this token on the website or anything like that. So I'm going to assume we should start off around 12%, and then we can work our way up or down if possible. Of course, you guys can try as low as you can, but typically with these tokens, it's 12%, and you do pay gas fees every time you try to go through with a transaction. So I try to avoid that as much as possible. But anyways, all you guys have to do is click on this little settings gear right here. And then right here, we can change our slippage tolerance. So like I said, I'd probably start off with 10 to 12% for this one, but you guys can try different slippage tolerance if you can. I kind of wish they made a distinct slippage tolerance available for whenever people release tokens. It would make life a lot easier, but unfortunately they don't do that. But anyways, I would start off with like 12% for now and then see if you can make your way lower. And if you guys find out that it does work at a lower slippage tolerance for you, I would really like if you left a comment so I could pin that in the comments so other people that are interested will know what slippage tolerance will work better for them. Anyhow, once we were done with that, we could exit out of here. And all we have to do now is decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the CakeBank token. So let's just say, for example, we could just use 1 BNB as an example. Then it will show us how much of the CakeBank token we'll get in exchange for that 1 BNB. Now, if you guys are happy with what you see here, you can just click on the little swap button where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you guys click on the swap button, it's going to show you another page with a broken down version of your transaction. It's going to show you your fees and things like that you'll pay. So make sure that you guys read through that and that you understand how much fees and stuff you're going to be paying before you guys go through the swap. But if you're happy with what you see, you can click on swap again there, and then you should get a successful transaction notice. Once you get that notice, we could exit out of here and go back over to our Trust Wallet, and then the CakeBank token should arrive here usually within like 2 minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the CakeBank token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.